All right, welcome back to the Hartshorn Funny Farm. This is August 4th. I missed the tour yesterday because we were busy, but figured we'd do one today. This is tomato paste I just put in, cooking down. We have tomatoes coming out of our ears right now, so here's a little bee thing I put up. It's kind of cool. Yeah, we've got so many tomatoes. Having a hard time figuring out what to do with them. So, anyway, we'll check out what's going on. These 4 boxes, the peas have sprouted up like crazy. The other ones we planted but they haven't come in yet. Haven't done a whole bunch since the last one. We did get one item completed, which I had been waiting to do, which is the blueberry bed. And we got one blueberry planted, and then more will go around the back of that bench so you can sit there and look at the garden and snack on blueberries. This tunnel we got to replant. Something got in here and ate. You can see it ate the leaves off of everything. I don't know what was in there. And then we got some funky mushrooms growing, which is good. Means the soil's good. Other than that, more tomatoes. I don't know what the heck we're going to do with all these things. Some more peppers coming in. These plants kind of died off in the heat a little bit, but since it's cooled back down some, everything's starting to flower back. Got a lot of, peppers growing in here. These kind of things. Eggplants are about done. Got some weird shaped ones like that. Starting to see some more flowers come back on these, so I'm expecting them to ramp up production. Got a jalapeno in there hiding. A few of them on there. More tomatoes. Oh, look, the eggplant's flowering again, so maybe we'll get some more. I think it'd been so hot and dry lately that everything just kind of stopped for a little while. Squash plants, zucchinis are coming back really strong. And then we've got the other plants, the new ones coming in. Those were all done by seed. And these are all seed, starting to grow really well. Got some broccoli. It's the first time we've grown broccoli. And it popped up with these little weird red mushroom things. I don't know what the heck that is. This tunnel sprung up. Everything's starting to spring back up. And it was hot for like 2 weeks with no rain. Oh, look at that bad boy in there hiding. And more peppers, seeing more flowers on them again, which is good. I think this is starting to die off. Some of our peppers are starting to die off. Marigolds going crazy. They're everywhere. Oh my God, there's so many of them. They've kind of taken over that bed. Corn, we got corn coming up, looking nice. And then these cucumber plants for fall cucumbers. They've got flowers everywhere and a bee in there. Been trying to train these things up. This trellis here. That. We got some of the winter squashes growing. Don't ask me what they are, I have no idea, but they're growing pretty well. Not sure what that is. Some more squash here. These squash plants are coming back great. Peppers. Some hot peppers, waiting for these to turn. These are cayenne peppers? Chili red peppers. Waiting for those to change color. More tomatoes. Oh, and then we noticed this artichoke plant. We trimmed it up. And we only planted one, but I see two individual plants there. They seem to be doing okay, so we're just going to leave them. I may trim up the crossing branches to keep them from competing for light. And then we've got some purple beans. Got a few of those to get. These okra plants are doing really well. Oh, got some flowers opened up. Some okra growing. Yeah. Very cool. Ooh, what is that? Funky looking dragonfly. All the sunflowers are dying off. Leaving them here to, looks like an assassin bug right there. Leaving them here to, hopefully the seeds change, get dark so we can use them. Feed to the chickens or grow some more sunflowers. All this stuff's starting to grow in pretty good. Oh, we got some roses. Huh. Didn't expect that to happen so soon. That thing was dead a couple of weeks ago. Got stuff here. I have no idea what any of this is, but it's looking nice. I don't know what this thing is. I think that's maybe even a weed of some type. Who knows? I know this is. This can go. These things have been blooming since we bought it a couple of months ago. Every day you come out, there's new blooms on it. Drops the flowers and then has new ones the next day. It's pretty cool. What do we got going on in here? Yep, still no gate. Thanks, Lowe's. We only paid for it in April, and it's now August. Some lettuces, this tomato plant that was a volunteer. I think I'm just going to pull it and replant something in there. Maybe some more lettuce since it's doing so well out here. I mean, this is looking great, especially for it being August. I think that's about it. Fig tree out there doing its thing, looking good.